24 hours after the insect event. Actually, when I was riding the bike, insect fell inside. I have crushed it. I have rubbed my eyes. We are not at all supposed to do that. Look at this. It's burning, it's paining, it's swollen, it's red, and it's constantly watery. It's been 24 hours, but it's horrible. I'm very sensitive to light right now, and I'm not at all able to do anything. Look at the redness. It was 10 times more than this. Can you see? Look at this side of the eye. Look at that side of the eye. Imagine if it happens before prelims, I'm gone. Well, that's the reason why I did not and could not upload a video. I did not plan my buffer days. I did not see anything coming through this journey. And there you go. It feels like I was carrying a rock on my eyelid and it was getting so heavy and I could not even open my eyes. I was barely opening my eyes, light sensitivity and whatnot. Somehow I tried to manage my studying, but it got worse through time. So I had to go and visit a hospital. But yeah, please plan your buffer days. It's very important. I just went to the hospital and I have come. The consultation fees was around 300 rupees, but they have given me certain medicines, tablets, painkillers, which costed me around 750 rupees overall, excluding the consultation fee. The thing is, I'm not supposed to wear any eye makeup or eyeliner, eyeshadow, nothing, not just here to this part of my face, because she told there are higher chances that this will catch the infection as well. It's been 2 days since I got this. The redness is reducing, but again it is coming back. There is water discharge and there is white color discharge from this eye. She checked the entire eye and she is like, this is getting worse, and she gave me some ointment which apparently I have to use it like kajal before I sleep. And she also gave me tears drops, which we use on a normal basis. I don't know if you people use, but just to maintain the lubrication in the eye, we use that. That she asked me to use. And she has also given one more drops. This I'm supposed to wear every 2 hours, roughly around 6 to 7 times a day, but she said I can wear it 6 times, and every 2 hours I have to wear it. The moment I put this, it's burning so much. No makeup here, no makeup at this part, and no light, nothing, no too much work, all of that. Let's see how that goes, because I have to do a lot of work on my laptop screen. I have to attend my classes as well. I do have the backlogs which I have to catch up on. I don't know. Without eyes, it is very tough, and especially this is paining so much, redness, swelling, and it's burning. It's burning so much. But I'll take rest for now, and I'll see how that goes. I have to get out of this because the subject backlogs are increasing. Let's see how that goes. So that's the background kahani. And after that, after coming back from the hospital, I have literally cleaned my entire desk, my laptop, my phone screen, my laptop screen, iPad screen, and all the objects that I have basically touched. After touching my eye, my clothes, everything and whatnot. I also took the hair wash because this, I don't know, I have this phobia that if I go to hospital and if I come back, I'll somehow catch the infections. I'm very sensitive. I don't know. Not that my immune system is lesser or whatever, but yeah. Anyways, my brother got this what is it? Some brownie. This is 300 rupees it seems. He just barely added a brownie with some chocolate, cheap chocolate syrup, an Oreo, one Kit Kat. Look at the food business in India. Any MBA candidates out there, do let me know what's your take on this. After that, I was doing a bit of my active recall. Like, I was trying to see how much I remember, and I was going through some theory, and I was trying to see some previous year questions. I do have this habit of writing. Without writing, I tend to forget a lot. And I was also attending my classes again, back to normal studying. Of course, I have to cover a lot of backlog work, but that's okay. My brother and his friend, they have come home because they were working. They had to work because my brother's final submission is their project where he has to work on a multi-speciality hospital design making. There you go. Let's see what's going on.
అంత సరదాగా ఉందా?
ఏదో తెగ హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసేస్తున్నారు కదా. ఏంటది?
ఇది ఏదో ఫామ్ అన్నాడు, బిల్డింగ్ ఫామ్ అంట. వీడియో తీసేస్తున్నావా?
Person who is drawing that is my brother's friend. My brother did not come in front of the camera. This is the importance of having friends. You're not supposed to be isolated. There is this theory of being isolated when you're preparing for competitive exams. Somehow I'm very much against it. When I have people around, that's when I tend to perform well. This fellow has this final year submission in 2 days, so he called his friends and he's like, you draw this, you do that. He assigned some work to the juniors. So overall, it's like a teamwork. The collaboration was top notch. Even I have to implement that. It's all about networking. After that, I have had this brownie. I have heated it up because I don't like to eat this cold brownie people somehow eat. Next day, I woke up, I got ready. I wanted to go to the library, but actually speaking, my eye was though the reddish color has reduced, the burning, the swelling, the watery sensation was still there. So I don't want other people to think that this girl has come to the library and she is about to spread the infection, though it might not be spreading, but I don't know, I don't want to take that chance. Anyway, so what I'm studying lately is monetary policy. I have realized that I am a bit weak in monetary policy. I was doing the MCQs wrong, so I was doing that work, and in the evening I went out with my mother because we felt like having some chai. And again, this was getting a bit dark in the night, but before that we had to go and do some shopping because I need to purchase some shorts and t-shirts in this V2 value and variety store. Everything was for 100 rupees, 150 rupees, 200 rupees. What a price, what a quality. I really liked it. We enjoyed the sunset, and I also went and I have done some stationery shopping, and my mother had to purchase certain things. After that, we have stopped to have some chai. Looks like I have added another 54. ఎవరని కామెంట్ చేశారు, చదివేటప్పుడు ఎందుకు సీరియస్గా చెట్టు బాగుందంట. ఇది చాలా what happened was actually in the previous vlog, someone commented saying, why do you have such a serious face when you study? And from that moment onwards, yeah, my family members do watch my videos. When that person commented like that, my god, I was teased and I was mocked like hell. And all the time, my mother is like, why do you have such a serious face? Why do you have such a serious face? Anyways, cutting short and coming back to our vlog, this is my favorite Billy, Billeshwari, Billy Papa, Billy Amma, you call it whatever you want it to be. There were signs of rain. Initially, there was very calm wind, and then there were droplets like this. It was so pleasant. I was so happy. It was beautiful, such a pleasant weather. But within no time, it just started to be so windy to an extent that my trees were falling and the neighboring neighborhood trees were falling as well. And we were very much surprised to the wind. It was so fast, and guess what, there was ice. And after so many years, I think after 10-15 years, I have seen this ice. And then it was my uncle's anniversary, so every year around his anniversary or for my birthday, especially when all of us do stay at home, we go out. So today we have decided that we'll go to the Bhimili Vizag beach. If you know, if any one of you are from Vishakhapatnam, Bhimili, Vijayanagaram, this belt, do let me know in the comment section. Or if you are from Andhra Pradesh, do let me know again. I somehow love beaches. This is the Bhimili beach. We could not go too far to Vishakhapatnam beach, Vizag beach, because it was actually getting very cold, and we were not sure because there was this wind alert, and kind of it was raining, so we don't want to take a risk. Me, my cousin, and my uncle, my aunt, my brother, we all of us went to the beach, and we played there for a while, and it was amazing. Look at the beautiful weekend, weekday, irrespective of which day it is always like this. That's the beauty of this place. And me, my cousin, all of us, we have planned actually to go to a restaurant in the evening. But the thing was, uh, how long will we stay at home, right? All the time staying at home, all the time eating. Someday we'll die. We have to go and explore places. This is what I felt. And anyways, I was also sitting at home for a long, and I did not get time to go out because of this eye infection and all of that. So we just went to Bhimili. That food was amazing. I did not expect the food at Bhimili beach to be very good. Again, MBA candidates out there, this is Pani Puri. They have added 5 flavors. The plate was 20 rupees, but they have given 5 gold kappe, the puri in that. Now they're minting money like anything. గోవా వెళ్దాం
వల్ల అప్పుడే కాదు కొంచెం ఏమంటారు
కొంచెం
ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అంతా ఫ్రీ అయిపోయిందండి ఇద్దరు
ఆడది అయిపోయింది.
మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఎప్పుడు
I was talking to my atta there. Atta means aunt. It's a Telugu word. So I was talking to my atta. She's like, let's go to Goa. So I said, yeah, let's go to Goa, but we have examinations coming. So I was telling that my brother finished the education. So why not? Why can't we go now? Then she's like, you have to finish your education too. I said, okay, fine. And then we have went to this place. It's called Bizag. It's amazing place. It's the beach facing place. There is, before that, there used to be D Cabana, something like that. Amazing places, pet friendly. Do visit if you want to go, or if you are going, do let me know. And then I have made myself some coffee, and like I told you before, good that we did not go too far, because since night before that day it was constantly drizzling. It was so pleasant, but the thing is I could not go out again. My plan was to go to the library because I've had a great break. Going to beach, it's refreshing. Open sky dinner, candlelight, beach, beautiful, right? So I felt, oh, I'm very refreshed now, let me just go to the library. But it was constantly drizzling. I had to sit at home and study. And let me show you something
ఉసిరికాయ
here. This is
చెట్టు
my garden.
ఆఫ్టర్ రెయిన్. వస్తావా బయటికి? అయ్యో అన్నీ పడిపోయేంటి గ్యాప్లో. ఓకే ఓకే. ఓ వావ్. మమ్మీ చూడు మమ్మీ ఎన్నున్నాయో. ఏంటి? ఎందుకు మమ్మీ అలా వెక్కిరిస్తావు? ఉసిరికాయ బిల్లి బిల్లి. వర్షం పడుతుంటే దాక్కున్న పిల్లి.
And finally, I found my way back to the library. If you know, this is an AC library and I pay around 1000 rupees per month. So that will boil down to 30 rupees per day. Trust me, it's worth it, because as I'm an aspirant who is preparing for competitive examinations sitting at home, I'll be always isolated because I don't have friends, or I don't have like minded people who are preparing for the government examinations. All my friends are in the corporate sector working, or probably in some other countries, so I tend to get isolated. The main reason why I joined the library is because I don't want to be isolated. Then I have come back to my home, and then whatever I have studied in the library, I revisited the same concepts. I was revising. I have also started writing, practicing the answer writing for my optional, but my correction measures are pathetic, and right now there are no test series available for me to take. Also, I'm preparing for the APPSC government examinations, Group 1, Group 2, Andhra Pradesh examinations. So my strategy is a bit tweaked. I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Bye bye.